Hey guys, we received this mygreen kids backpack. It's a backpack for school ages kid, 8 to 12, so like a middle schoolers and elementary school kids. Comes in a nice pack and then looks very nice. Is a waterproof material with the string things in the front, the zipper for the mesh thing, and also another pocket for your pens and small stuff that can be used here. So this have a good ample pockets to keep. The total size is around 42 centimeter in a height, and the width is 18 centimeter. So this is the compartment to hold stuff, like another like bigger like books and copies, and this is the main bigger stuff. So you can see like if I expand, it's a really a good size thing, and the back you can have folders or laptop, anything you want, and then this zipper you can have other things for protection. So basically it's a very nice design. There's a good handle thing here, and then you can carry stuff. Material is all waterproof inside and outside, and in the back also is there the cushion for the straps, and also for the travel luggage there is a strap. There is also this side for holding the big water bottles, and yep. So basically it's a nice design and it's good to carry with the kid. You can see that it holds really well with all the shape and the size, with the bottle also with this hook, and really comfortable strap on the side. From the side also you can see the bag looks nice with the water bottle, or you can carry another bottle or something. So very nice backpack for the kids for the school. Hope they enjoy.